In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fill out a document in DocHub. To get started, open your web browser and go to the DocHub website. Once you're there, sign in with your existing account. If you're new to DocHub, you can create a free account first and then continue. After logging in, you'll be ready to upload the file you want to complete. Next, click on New Document, then choose Upload. From here, select the PDF or other document you want to fill out from your computer or from your cloud storage. Give the upload a moment to finish. Depending on the file size, this may take a few seconds, but once it's done, the document will open automatically in the DocHub editor. Inside the editor, you can begin entering information into the document. If you need to fill in blank spaces or form fields, click the text tool in the toolbar, then click anywhere on the document where you want your text to appear and start typing. If needed, you can adjust the font size, style, and placement so everything fits neatly and looks professional. If your document includes checkboxes or multiple choice sections, use the checkmark tool. Simply click the correct box to place a checkmark in it. This is helpful for forms that require selections rather than typed responses. When it's time to sign the document, click the Sign tool and choose Create Signature. DocHub lets you draw your signature, type it, or upload an image of it. Once you create it, you can save it for future use, which makes signing future documents much faster. After that, place the signature in the appropriate area of the document. If the form also asks for initials or a date, use the Initials tool where needed. For the date, you can use the Date field or the Text tool, depending on how the form is set up. Be sure to place these items carefully in the correct spots so the document stays organized and easy to read. Before finishing, take a moment to review the completed document carefully. Check all personal details, dates, signatures, and form responses to make sure everything is accurate and complete. This step is especially important because even small mistakes can cause delays later. Once everything looks good, click Done or Save to apply your changes. DocHub will automatically store the document in your account so you can come back to it later if needed. Finally, choose what you want to do with the file. You can download it as a PDF, email it directly, generate a shareable link, or send it out for electronic signatures. Pick the option that works best for your situation, and your document is ready to go.